Hi, it's Liz with you, and today we are going to have a bit of fun because I'm going to show you how you can actually buy a fully functioning website for literally $1. So this is a pretty amazing marketplace where you can get started and make your first investment in the marketplace for $1. So let's go and have a look at the marketplace that Matt and I buy our websites from. And that marketplace is flipper.com. So I'd highly recommend you go over there and have a look on flipper.com. They have thousands of listings of websites for sale. But today what we're going to look at is the ones that are selling for $1. So in order to find those, so you can see which ones have, come up to the top here and hover over websites and head over to the just sold area. So we're going to have a look at what's just sold in website world. So let's make the monthly profit somewhere between $1 and $100, and let's make the maximum sale price $10 and see what we come up with here that's just sold on Flipper for that price. And what I'll do is I'll sort the results by the lowest price first. And look at this, we've got a whole range of websites. When this goes green like this, that means the website has sold. So this is a fully functional website, all built, and these have sold for just $1. We've got volcanoloans.info, Digimarket, there's some good domain names there that you can't even buy a domain name for $1. Teeth Emergency, Remedy at Home, great domain names. Now, if you want to get a little bit, increase your bid to maybe $6, we've got helpingpets.life, we've got Company Easy Loan, we've got toothache.life, we've got all sorts of websites, and they are all built. Petshelp.club, what a cool website. And you could have bought that for just $10. So let's show you how you can actually get in here and buy one of these websites for $1. So if you head over to this area, so go to the all websites, change your monthly profit to $100, put your price range, let's say at $10, and let's do a search. And we will again search by the lowest price. Now what we're looking for is auctions that have a reserve price of $1. So you can see here, the starting bid is $1, it's black, so it means the starting bid is $1, but you can see there his buy it now price is $1,500. So it's unlikely he'll have put a reserve of much less than $1,000 on auto license plates. Now that's a great domain name. So keep scrolling down, and what we're looking for is the $1 that are green. So these ones, if we put a bid in at $1 and no one else outbids us, then we'll win that auction for just $1. So besthealthy.men perhaps. So if you would like to own a website for $1, you can just get in here and start putting some bids on just for $1. And you can see there's a few there that you can bid on. You can start your website portfolio for just $1.